Hi, welcome back to class. Today we're going to be talking about dictionaries, which is another kind of data structure. A data structure that we already covered are lists and 2D lists, and they are a data structure containing an ordered list of elements, and these elements can be of different data types like strings, numbers, other data types, and other data structures, including lists. It is a data type itself, just like strings, integers, booleans, and floats, and we can use the length function. We can index into them, slice them, use the in operator, concatenate them, and iterate over them. We also talked about list functions, which are append, extend, insert, remove, and pop. Lists are important because they let us hold data that needs to stay in a certain order. They're also useful to represent databases, which is a collection of organized information to be easily accessed, managed, and/or updated. We also talked about mutability of lists, and we specifically talked about some list functions that change or mutate the contents of a list. So they are append, extend, insert, remove, and pop. We talked about get versus mutating a list. And when we're just getting information about the list or items in the list, it does not change the list itself. So using the length function, indexing into a list, slicing one, using the in operator, concatenating them, or iterating over them does not change the list. It only gets information about the list or gets items from the list. The list functions above here, append, extend, insert, remove, and pop, however, do change or mutate the list. So the original list is going to change. Remember this when we talked about using a 2D list to represent a database? This is really complicated because you have to know where in each list each item is. Wouldn't it be better if we could just say, give me the title of the movie, or give me the year of the movie? So this is where dictionaries can help us. Just like physical dictionaries, a Python dictionary is used to look up items. In a physical dictionary, we look up definitions for a word, and in a programming dictionary, we look up values using a key. So to use an actual dictionary as an example, a key would be the word, and the value would be the definition of a word. To be a bit more specific on what dictionaries are, they are an unordered collection of key value pairs. They're also known as maps because they map keys to values. Here's an example of a dictionary. We have prices equals, curly brace, some things inside of it, close brace. So this is how we make a dictionary, by using braces. An example of a key value pair here is burrito is the key. We have a colon, and then the value is 8. Other key value pairs in this dictionary are taco, which has the value 3.5, and another key enchilada with the value 6.99. Let's look at another example. Here we have cars equals curly brace, which again is how we make a dictionary. And then we have Corolla, Accord, and Model 3 as our keys. And we have Toyota, Honda, and Tesla as our values.